Science Spinners was launched in 2016. A massive hands-on creative lab inspiring Year 9 and 10 Waikato students to demystify the sci behind everyday life activities and aiming to get them excited about science careers. In 2017, the project expanded to include digital, offering students a taste of the gaming and app industries. Partnering with internationally renowned Waikato tech company Code Avengers, Code Hub was started. Getting a chance to show their stuff through building games, apps, and websites proved the Waikato future IT industry is in good hands. So, watch this space. The Science Spinners Creative Lab has provided low-decile Waikato schools with contextualized learning through interactive science activities, and all delivered by real Waikato scientists. Kudos award-winning scientists. Students are interacting with food technologists, endocrinologists, vertebrate ecologists, and sports physiologists, to name a few of those forming the team of awesome scientists bringing science spinners to life for our Waikato schools. It's because of this that makes Science Spinners unique to the Waikato. The Waikato has continued to lead in science innovation, with iconic local businesses investing in community and education, such as major partner and sponsor Hill Laboratories. Together with our sponsors, the Kudos Science Trust aim to bring together past Kudos scientists to pass on their knowledge and stories to inspire and grow our next generation of scientists, innovators, entrepreneurs, and IT geniuses. So how can you be a part of supporting our next generation of scientists? Contact the Kudos Science Trust Project Manager. And kudos to Hill Laboratories and Code Avengers for Code Hub, Trust Waikato, Well Energy Trust, First Sovereign Trust, Longveld.